Mwanchomo rigero na tia gota ya ase ekene geikale getangani kigima kyo mwaka 2026 itukulia rajitari kinya na ase geikale kigani gotokwerere baga gokwarigania ase njira bena somoro bwegekaro na kumenyenga no moroberio ogochigo gochira ase njira bene monesto gochikorigereria onsi ali akonyara kabaga kwane kwa chinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusia na mono asensemelia ya gesiasa nsemo ye gisemi nsemo ya magendera nsemo yo burai na byonse biribigo kuna eyemu ase eyemu na rero nigotore na samuyenda no mubwatana bigekara na botambe muntu burageganira kiabuga nagoto kwaregana kolende na kuru sale ndonse saikaranse rero no ale somurori bwegekaro gukwaregania ase omwako igasam umwaka 2025 no butwara mangana mange sana kolende gwetani alio twara mwaka twari kwara na yae mwaka ni gokoera aya yatigara anda bwato mwako yonde arachaka kolende na mangana mange sana agende kwanikwa mkoa muno gutambuka mwaka mangana gesiasa aralekanire mangana yisemi gocha gocha debilion suko chakera kigima ngigerio rocheke giatambuka to mwaka 2025 gocha mwaka 2026 geria gotange igaragia giatambuka teketikari tumaye
nitangani piti gangiriri bageri go kwania ba ligiriri baito rosias murase marago bayabono. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas yere and Happy New Year. Bado mwaka no mulere and we are expecting a lot aso mwaka yoga 2026. Na manga korekana aso mwaka 2025 kumaete ngantu abwata chiba election siasa mabirera na tira asoro gongurwa gusi and other places chirichanya ko bachigo twara obochori oboke. Eke kwamboringa ngigerikia rule 2025 giachire 2026 actually siasa
karageta chiti motemoko
siasa te chiti motemoko and if you look at the way bono igatore nali bono siasa ya chakire bono siasa ya chakire ngo chikomenteri chingurumono asengenge chonga twaikire ange ngo chiwekera torange no bochori obonane because actually tubwato mwako bunoko era I think the other year ya 2027 before totareka August yo bochori it means that nali bono siasa go intensify kabisa amangana akoba
in fact ene nyori gure ronga etobwate exactly 20 months to elections ndo mwaka yomugima nimetiye nana yo mwaka 2027
yeah
ikabono break te yo matibuko te
matibuko siasa to yo I think umatibuko tora atware abantumba aba na siasa bange bagenda se okwana na jibasari being on January abanamba chikwa jibasari but in that basari obviously
we go monta idia kamangana gaga siasa
by the way it will be a main agenda ya yokwana na chibasari but at the end of the day lazima siasa etegati na bengo morandi bago chana ne shere asigetegeta ngeyo mangana yebo Kristo lakini singe ncharo morandi na bara atuke kebunge akemonga unesegeto so as it is kuchia saba na siasa na bera bangane chibasari bakuru but at the end of the day lazima bakwane siasa ime amone bintebi
na umugosolio monne pia sabangana ge siasa around ye ga gosomwa ko yiga twa 2026 waro kijaliringa already signs share player of the year ego chikorega ga no DM because already ama soesi akoli rugana kurete kama ge DM
those are some of the things chakora kanate last year that is 2025 anena mono ekiama ge DM kianyo to gwakwa nyuma yo mugako moske right honorable Raila Amolo Odinga usio mabwa karasiri igo yabete surprise maete ototo umonte sign sinchira koro kingandake umuntu oyo ubugema bwana bora obokake wetranga umuntu rware wetrum giafya even you as a family na moko nyakoranga yaya bono mugako na bara koleki na baragena mwanya kwebanga psychologically even the succession nini maybe a willing kolika bale bati gaga lakini bono umugaka Raila gosira ODM ya bwate will nga to mugako gakuru ngogoso ekabanyora ina surprise. That is why majority of the politicians in ODM bali bagategemeira bali anene mono bagategemeira mugako Raila Odinga bono iga they are trying to go back to the drawing board. Look at the formation ye kiama ya ODM bono you can really tell nga ngwe bacha balingi bateba nga chama cha ODM ngego chiko nyara ko bageko sambaratika but you can tell nga from what you are seeing ekiama ya ODM go sambaratika kire in one way or the other weteranga abarai bali abanene bonege bagukwana kuremeno ngao. Talk about the first three party leaders.
Deputy party leaders.
Deputy party leaders. Tubwate Somad Abdul Somad Sharif oyo mugavana Mombasa. Tukatwara Ososi o
Vihiga
senator. Then tukatwara mugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati. But usakuligereria sabantaba Godfrey Ososi is very outside. On a deputy party leader who are now the faces of the party. Because yema atenjera bago choru kire ba rocking there is a unity in our
na last year katoko ne ore abaraya we last year karawa twengoliga ligora succession of course succession ya ODM ncharengi kiria na kirality ye gose confusion ya jete gochanga ekaro monda sirire se kiama automatically a deputy na went go but signs were there from before ngaki ekaro sikiraira moro dinga lengo genda ali yukurwa negero kya nigo atigete kirwe geiga agatuma omo abarai abakonyi babarai bekiama batatu umuske Swamad Nasiri umuske Simbarati no umuske Ososi agatuma secretary general yule umuske Edwin Sivuna agatuma umunyakirogo gose chairperson oyuro umuske Gladys Wanga agachoro muntu kokunga professor Peter Anyangi Nyong'o muna interim party leader ekigende tukakebeka muna mosio skuru ganga gose principal ya chire sabali ya tigire deputy principal ya tigire senior teacher ya jodo mwalimu teaching practice na wana so aira kile karata confusion yake bona then more confusion ikamegocha kuro kabona pero moskerero mura sirete gatokanga ntoko mayaro parameters chatumugete koleto moskeo buro dinga muna epatri da ikiama but yeke kiaretire ogungusana na sikiameke abande batebanga ntachinde niko basnyetu ko agree of the three deputy party leaders who should be elevated to the party leader bakanyanga aga confusion ko chabari then again abanta abonzi kiro mondo inodiam erenga ne kal ticket yarenga you prophesy gose o allegiance yao taliye gochete kiama gocheso muntu kurwera umorodi
party leader yes
now that he is not there then what next kiro muntu irwanira
just look at the way ibona kiro muntu akwirwanira kuna nango tenga the party leaders the three of them one of them seems to be talking from another side then come to the secretary general of which Omondore secretary general we kiama means that he got a very important person which as kiama because nero monagari we kiama igago kwanera angao talk about other leaders babo we almost ke Peter Anyang' Nyong'o the former interim by the way he speaks from the other side then in Jomo Skogor Rengo and you know Rengo who is Orengo igago kwana kurwense melina so mushituko yonda atebo mugose ugo komo Raila Odinga waretro goncho kana nagete asikiame ya ODM that naro chetiga let me talk about the speech naro chimos kesefuna igare wa accuse Junet Mohammed HSCVS ayokolia gose igare kuma accusing na alietebesa ya agents of course it's something that we heard the other day lakini bono nandegi achire politics being politics it means that ikiama ya ODM bono igasekere yokere state geten komusana
back and forth.
In fact, one we don't know even its survival, and there are some rumors. Of course, we haven't confirmed from the party that Umaro Bernoro will replace almost Edwin Sifuna. So, the expectations that Tobuga Gocha said Umaka 2026 is that there will be a lot of changes, especially as a Kiamagia ODM, that Nabotra Raban to Bandbako Soka, Abandibako,
Abaso Morobelio, what the nomination Guanachia, Omo Senate Abu County and Nairobi Muskedo and Sifuna, Ejaberga Kubato Cabono, Oikiribake Sare direct head on Nabara, Ibekiamakia, Ikiamakia ODM, Moske. Junet Mohammed oyole I think yale was an director elections as a ODM elections and manale minority leader as a bunge then ndobwate Gladys Wanga oyoromo
national chairperson
kanenga kubroka ngamri talia ko ngabo barogra balidi washensi ne bitu bitu cha ena machiko rege ndo tegera confirm kunga governor be county ya Mombasa omoske Abdul Somad Sharif Nasir o boliringa kumoraibe kiamekyo omoske Burodinga arangeli NDC with immediate effect yokuligera lyo baraibe kiama nobora yoboga kiama most probably abantu bagachiko batagete na baiga Edwin Sifuna ya mobo na bwako ku Big Fish amo na Godfrey
Babu Wino, yes.
Babu Wino taracoka muno na baratoka na bwate chance yo gutiga ODM onyeka gutaka batia bababire na bacokire muno na kubera ase ekento kirige gotebekana babeire yani okoranga ba decide nga ngocoka ba akarogole Godfrey Ososi muna deputy party leader Godfrey Ososi asa ODM Moisonde Moisonde got 3 years Moisonde teba Moisonde ya igora makoyo na boy Edwin Sifuna obeire ODM for a long time then akarogole story ekiameke kana time go dig in ekiameke ya ODM starting from the first secretary general of ODM ngoro kupita Anyang' Nyong'o professor agacha omoske Agnes Sani as interim then I think nalia cheteko sobondo kurukunga Ababu na Mwamba if I'm not wrong but wana so Ababu na Mwamba ngento kemuruseti ase ekiama gia ODM Sifuna otumegete tumegete romanyene lakini Sifuna nere uri kugenda no nese chinda because chiko ndivose chiarengo yango banga Sifuna wasasa Ababu na Mwamba so Ababu na Mwamba agasoka kurese kiama gia ODM Edwin Sifuna akaba Edwin Sifuna wabairororo this is now okubatana kwa rora kana ngororo one question ya rone end game nereri kurese mo senate Edwin Sifuna kwa mfano hina ramanda bange bali ngaki akere Edwin Sifuna ko chikosoka kurese kiama kia ODM end game ya nereri nigakugenda so DCP akwenda ro kiama kia yagosoka wiper gusinga kiplan yani gusagutikara wa muna ebakipenja ekiama kia ODM nando akaro togochikoenda kuligeria abo inyorenga in one way or the other ekiama kia UDA kia bero ruthless sana which is lepos wale waasi abantu limuno gutino konyumo tugo chiagene so ODM against UDA karo kia bero gocha Edon gorigerio moske Glory Roba Boni Arwale abana abantu bali gutabuga ki onye gogo itosoki ko moisiko abonsi isiko kosoyo soyo guime lakini turinga como goles ko abo dini nyoro bonsi babe victims ya again the king aki ruthless na sikiam ntachinde kiama gyo mukira ichigo borrow from this anonyorenga Edwin Sifuna ale gosinde majority minority whip deputy majority whip as a senate Igo na mangana mangali agoti kuligero.
So let me say this about Toto, what I think about Edwin Sifuna. It is not kusena chasok, it's a matter of time. Kurbono na rogo soka kuae ne chinga kitogenda tokobara. So anytime we have an NDC, any changes that will be incurred, I think Edwin Sifuna bona yasi ya ikere ngosoka re kurwa sekia makere kwa sababu after Edwin Sifuna kwanera mangana alinga uyu mshenzi I think he meant Junet the response did you see the response Junet imeenda so meaning that in our Kenyan politics I think post by elections nichiko kongera abantu abange sana especially bali balenge komotegemea mono lakini at some point ngolgerindu muntu buna Sifuna ko ba very independent politician at some point esenge njonga era kuoro kinga tarenga mona broad based despite the fact that he was the secretary general which ama ODM is still opposed the broad based in the presence of Baba korare igonga na temete ko koro kinga era allegiance ya nebanga mbabwate kiama ya ODM that is the secretary general but at the end of the day the democracy we are talking about in our country at some point ngoprere ki mpaka in public mugaka Raila kulsinga nere ne birengere bya because of the democracy we have in our country the end game of this ekiameke ya ODM it is true that umra even say or attend some of the events ekiameke ya ODM including paka samatanga omugaka Raila Odinga and the point from the president was that tago chikoligereria ekiama gya ODM gekugwa nande muntu onde bwensi urachi kutaka ekiama kegwe takonyora more and you can tell from the script that Edwin Sifuna cannot survive in the ODM kwa sababu maete mora bwensi bona iga as long as yaro nande na the ekiama gya ODM geku nande will deal with those who will try to shake ekiama gya ODM the first victim igago chiko Edwin Sifuna na babo sosi na bande and let me ask you something you know kero togotwara replacement in our Kenyan politics we have what we call ethnic based yani chi siasa that for a party to have a national outlook mbaligere tinga kotobwa mo secretary general kuruchise mo cha western kurugaiga kurugusini nini so a replacement ntora manyanga do abande ngonya bataya bale from rumors nga leda marende but we haven't confirmed that. We'll confirm after rende changes chia korekanire effect kikigo chigotwara from the Luya community. And I want you to look at Toto. Bono iga saba I say in Semelia the Luya community, you can really tell much as wetangulare speaker na umuntu kurukwanga nere Mudavadi are mo prime cabinet but force nere achiri yakatatu force nere achiri ende with the Tawe movement and onye gukuligere siasa buya you cannot dismiss the Tawe movement of which now majority of the politicians baribare so powerful as Semelia Western but generally as a Tawe movement. Look at it had to cost Senator we county ya Kakamega Boni Halwani no hara Sensemeli because he played the critical role for Sensemeli. Look at raiwe chama ya ODAP Kenya DAP Kenya ke Eugene Wamalwa liri lya bantu abakale Hamisi oyo Saboti I think is a member of member of parliament of Saboti. Look at people from Babo Salasia much as is a newcomer but is also aligned to that movement. Talk about the Bono Sifuna, we have Sifuna. Look at the Ososi. So this is abanabanto gete barabanene bare mashuri kurasa Semelia Western. Igonga kero ODM ko lose Edwin Sifuna at some point naro effect change koretaki nchiro because he ko lose aende kuchiase the opponents or bara say the Tawe movement. And you can really tell ototonga nebwate effect yanene so Sifuna karago teneno otema kupinga igona maitenga what is the value and what they are going to lose
na isabanda bonso kwanya gobo kwana n'ugoro sero goro Western I think mondora bwate disadvantage ga Edwin Sifuna considering abonsa abo karibu amesi babo sosi bonse babo Peter Salasiri go bakuru Western pase no abagwa kuru Western but bono compare them na Sifuna ewefu yonye kerenga ne wefu ya Western gotambo keke Nairobi na tambe wefu gotaligina liko nya gatatera ne because ngate na bode chikura Kandui ya Western na bode Kandui go senkabere and ndese nya gakwera noro but renda all in all umwaka numuye siasa mbone jagete korenge bali ba kwaje muliro limira ke ba retre chingo ba mentire na onsi na gante koligero nga yago chiko era gochi then ntubwa tobo chorio boke anne chibode chia mbere north chibode bere chia ba msie ba tigete birogo bia ba gachiko wali birogo bio bo jumbe gerogyo jumbe na abo nando kumyoka ninko karogero go chorora nabo igo ikiama kia UDA na kironge bwate obochorio boke bwa grassroots elections chige chikachora bara ibabo nabo igo tokwirana bantu bagenda kweroberia igoro na ningoria ugo chikomenyakanine na William Ruto sobochorio bwa 2027 abo ba timu one term batte konyoro monto go chikoba new term egana chikoru si one term ta two term kule nande ngendo kende go chikorigero go mwako yiga for the first time umurobolo CP ngo tole form 1 bakoreta matem first time ya kijesea wanongo swabale agendo korukunga senior secondary reception temanyiringa kigo chikoba padu bantu baranyara kwa bakonyora nga nani school mbara accept goyanga amane bali bacha school chiri bata ite konde serikali jata tenga na bego chikoligereria korenga erorenga miroboli kikubeka kero mwanafunzi onyege wikira ende school ria jana to bagakorie kineke ikia kabire ngeliga muraibu ensomo sikere William tuli tukolia na nyako bagotutara ringona nga serikali njamende school fees tangatari yamende school fees serikali yamende jibasi kubatoka wase ekiti kelie kubatoka capitation chese chisukuru mene garugol girensa mejo ara yechisemi contribution yenero wase tejo from where you sit.
When we look at the Chisemi as a ministry Chisemi and the education sector at large, in Sakonya compare with the 2025 tuarele challenges including abatokurukanga nabuwa lecturer they were on strike for a long time and then umwako bunogo chaka nande kwegure nga ngoenda barase omogiro asengencho nga amangana ali bayigwana nete taraikira ni gune serikali. The 50% I think they were supposed to be paid bara kanuna serikali. Another thing, we have had challenges in capitation. Chiba sisi kubwat kuchia school. Ya bero mochando sana. So it's another challenge that we want to talk about as a sector HCM. And then umurobelio yo CBC, kuru CBC, CBE and KJSA and all those things. Na barabutora in one way asaba abaibuli bande mbali bataraikira kumanyanga inki kigendereta somurobulirwa and the structures nga kichibona takoba and people were even like abantu mba twalite chitangutangu manonga ki abana bakaraba kurikurwa ngai bago chakwanda and what are the plans and what are the organization in terms of the structure kurwa Ministry of Education the structures and even the funding itself, because funding has been a problem. Esengenjonga bahesacha capitation konyora nchiracha. And rumors ya very chigo circulating andake even they have been circulated and of course you know Kenya tubwate nchirelinga aganto karoka abire bago politicize ya bona ne political mileage bali bandi bago oppose the government bakanyoranga serikali yete koraki comment chibahesacha che kwerende che school fees. So these are some of the challenges that the Ministry of Education ibwenta kuligerelinga ngaki ego come up because gentonke yo kiamana asense and gentonke yora abana bake wetani semia sense. So the Ministry of Education through the CS okorukumikosyo gamba na bwenta kuligerelinga some of the challenges that were there in 2025 ngaki chikoba kaba especially the capitation. Again, to kiamana by the way, Aaron Toto, capitation ya tuaroma chando. So, and the transition that we're having from the one education system, which is saying, Nyoranga, system, abanambra which can be yete, because chikoba introduced for the first time. Nyoranga, we are doing away with the 844 system. One I think abana barenge form 2 bachiri form 3. Meaning that we have only 2 years to do away.
Mwako form 2 nande.
Mwako form 2 takoreti tejo. Because wanonga abantu bali bagende we only have 2 years for clean up the 844 system because of nabago chakababo mwali abona gabachi the form 3. So the government what it needs to do in terms of infrastructure na capitation, that is what is more important. Nagwetera say aba alimu. Look at the other problem we had the other time is it in terms of JSS? It's another problem that was there in 2025. Maybe in terms of they wanted to be autonomous. And again, na the payments ba kuri internship mode. Why not maybe permanent and pensionable? So those are some of the things the Ministry of Education needs to look at. Now that you have included a new system abana ba soire birasi tebi for a smooth run in the sector of education as I say.
And of course umuligereri nabaigo anigo amatem grade grade ya form 4 KCSE akagere gosoka matuka make kurbono kolengana na sakure nya ko gwatu kurwa se wizara ye gisemi ayo aranya kwa gwatu kwa matuka maka ale bosio na yo na yana manga ntokareka na eso so ko rero ne recap to aliko ligereri ngaki ngaki to kwalega ni mwaka se gikaro nyando ngirigia kwa ne mitandao sana.
Okay.
President yense kulunga Venezuela kulunga Nicolas Maduro. You know, I'm trying to imagine the easiest example was the localized example that we can ingeling okubuga tokwa umugavana we county ya Transnzoia Mosque George Natembea chibura bunji amatukana kiu. Then I'm trying to imagine a president umuraibu yense aba bana jeshi mense ngaba achide baka basere baka state house yense yo baso greno mora ibwense ba mwirire nse yabo prabantu tayo sino mubweka no se na bana jeshi ba Uganda baje babwate ko se Ruto ko saba Kenya banda babwate Museveni ko chako chendo mneki igende kinga kige how do you see it?
At first Nicolas Maduro I've got his history Nkeigo yako garanga apart from siasa chense ya Kenya nkora temane kuligire siasa chinse esengenjonga keroro korowanje te siasa to wacha wanja siasa yankayo ko ikuliringa and you compare kwa contrasting siasa chindinga kichiko chikororkana Nicolas Maduro ena chiteko tora interest ne hermono sengencho Venezuela nenseli ya Cuba kero to wato murayo kwa Fidel Castro ngakiywe obwamate babwate and what they said when Castro died and what was the impact ya Castro kwa gose in fact kurwa sobora kera rweta sobora no kwa so Maduro it's surprising that kero ko igunga bona nchenga kombe nchire ikwarengere nga imagine nga bona Museveni ochire Kenya uhatire William Ruto bona I was trying to think simple ngaki I think every country has a constitution. We don't have countries nga bona US nature ko to govern gaiga maybe in this country of ours. I was trying to imagine what was the intelligence of that country nga kibahetete mpaka bagacha kubwata Nicolas Maduro no
so onye president ke kubwatu how safe are the other citizens ben say
how safe are they onye president you know presidents are highly guarded by they onye abantu bari highly protected
ne president
and tikana aba Africa bari protected of course but when you are talking about those western
Venezuela
countries
is one of the highest rated countries as far as military power is concerned
and how comes where were these abantu aba this security aba bara sense me ba state house yense abantu aba how ngakiyanyari kanete how could it be like umuntu nyare kubwa so yaro kananga nige ntugetekere na US nero koranga yakore tomoki sana lakini for when you look at when I try to borrow the leaf kwa se abaraya bange bechinse chinyinge you could tell that they were criticizing yakole kikia Moske Trump kogenda kubwata Moske Nicolas Maduro. I think Aaron Ototo through the I think the United Nations countries and whatever nebwate policy ayenga onye umurai ogosire. I remember when we had the umurai wensema ya Ivory Coast Loro Bagbo wa mwenite kurwa sobora ina bwetu chikura makarare tesigi na iretu ase ensemeli ya Hague. When you talk about there's another guy from Jean Pierre Pemba jamagete kurwa chinsemo gosomora igete kurwa ensemeli ya DRC Congo mbai mukeretu wetambukero abara imbare twegure basi there's a reason to announce to 18 years because of whatever that he did
Charles
Taylor very good. I think if indeed there was a mistake we judged we have those policies, we have the United Nations thing that governs.
Karonari kusoma historia juu ya kwerende na nyoranga na ande ense ya America tari bwana litanga ense ya America ya bwatete I think 1989 somewhere ya bwatete ande ngola ngine prime minister tomoge prime minister gose a military leader yanse ya Panama bakamubwata bakamurusi Panama bakamwira America bakamusipe miaka 17 years garwa musipe 17 bakamurusi 17 bakamwira France nara kasipe miaka 7 kara gora saba nanda kare ni kupana magaji kukwera so igo is America tarigende ketanga nanda I think nanda na somedenga mbata kubwata some years chipaka 30 years ago 35 years ago nanda mbata kubwata president vice president ya Somalia to tena hiyo soko kodra kima siasa chagusi ngwe banga chire
nje yanda tegwe banga
na bantu mbagete kusuka guru muino na muinende ntwaramna tojo kodro mwaka umoske John Ongendi na tamboga guru ansema ya one time gaswa two time na bana sachimbaka manduka gaswa karu
one time sadoko mtu professor
gocha in brief siasa ya kusiera ngira nyaka bako nke bantu bago expect mwanko
we will have defections chinyinge especially to Achira from last year ntwaro moske mo jumbe bwe bunge ya Kitutu not Kitutu but Nyaribari Masabo moske Manduku but Manduku for the longest time to atore one time and two time songs in gusi chorus ichiga tare soki mono of any of the chorus but rende ya renginga na renga sensemeri ya one time lakini tarenge wasoki mono lakini bono otanga asire maisha mara renga era no ara sensemeri ya two time and then we talk about Jonah Onkendi for the longest where I think umo jumbe yani uliokurwa robo jumbe kurwa senseme ya kiama audio I'm not wrong na handa konya no ara setimi ya matiangi lakini yotevirenga tigaenda sensemeri ende and then umusikie Professor Zadok Ogutu uyo machoge borabu so we are expecting as much as toto as long as tubwate national politics chibwate effects ya so mwakoyo we also expect tutware political moves kurwa se mashinani bono toko cha gusiga abantu bagenda ko align bono gabana siasa bagenda kuri ngaki nkayi interest cyane kirabe served well you know siasa and politics okwanda kwali ngaki ngai siasa ngai kurende yane interest cyane kirabe served kwanyora ngonye one term kwanda one term onye two term kwanda two term. So we'll have, much as we're expecting a lot of defection nationally, even locally, especially as Sorogongurwa, see people will defect. Tuara bana siasa abange last year, by the way, batarenge baba wetu chukura 2022, but bagache look at the women, the former women rep Janet Ongera, babo moske Chris Oburengo komororo once onoroche babo kemosi, you know, it was a UDA. Tugusene letina stock baro ko narenga se UDA lakini no armo ngaiga babo Ben Mumanyi and other leaders barenge batale ko yeka lakini bono bachire. So we expecting abono omulirori igorengo omuliro mokeigo lakini bono 2026 yega gotwara tore formations. We are also waiting for other formation. Ngakiwa mnyora ata banga bono na lieto go chikoreta ngo chikubol lakini ndorikora masoki bono higa because ntokanye tichi CS inchiro GPS inchiro bara serikali bagota one time ngamba gende tokukanya. So we shall have a lot of defections, we shall have a lot of political moves as much as the Kenyan politics is concerned.
Mwanje muligerali ramna natie ga gwenyali no koligerali tunga gwenyali tunge karongero ni karoge go chikoba egetingu side na bona gamna to gochikwanda asa amangana asiasa twatigere muntu je gota emetienyi 15 emetinye 20 yoka tanda bachale bonne bo mwaka bochirwe na 25 nebere igelio gigwikari gwekane keregendo gwekana na gwikatna goto kumanya onsi ali agochikobugatia ase ali agochikoto etanana gwikira bona to kolenta me karo kolende tumena chinsanya samana maya ya chinsanya chiri ngorkwara no toto nyaingiri.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting